Hey, in this video I am going to show you one of the best money making sites whose minimum withdrawal is only $1, and here you can see that 250,000 plus users are already earning money through this site. And this site gives you many more options to withdraw your money, including PayPal. You can choose whatever you like. This site is available all over the world, no matter which country you are from. You can easily earn money from here. So without wasting any time, let us tell you about all the ways to earn money from this site. But before going ahead, please subscribe to our channel and also join my Telegram channel to stay updated with all these things. Simply come to this page and register yourself by clicking on the register now button. We will provide the link of this site in the description box or in the pinned comment, so don't worry about it. And if you register through my link, then you will also get 200 extra points. After registering on this site, all your points will be visible in the upper section of this site. You can easily see it here. If you participate in this Dragon Hit gaming tournament and break this record, then you will get 6,000 coins. And you can earn this 6,000 coins every day, because here every day a new record will be set. Similarly, you can earn 6,000 more coins by participating in the Ninja Hike tournament. You will find this gaming tournament in the tournament section. Now let me show you how it works. Here you can see the step 1. Simply download this Dragon Hit game by simply clicking on the Google Play option. Now the step 2 is insert here your Dragon Hit ID. So for this, simply open the Dragon Hit app, and here you can see the player ID. Simply copy it and paste it here. Then click on this icon and wait some seconds. Now come to this app and you can play this game. And this game is very easy to play, so you can easily break this score. Similarly, the same process is applicable for Ninja Hike tournament. You can also earn lots of coins by playing many more other games, daily check-ins, spinning the lucky wheel, and completing many more daily goals. And if you complete these 9 simple steps, then you will get 2,000 extra points. And for this, simply click on this see all task option. Now you can see all these 9 steps here. You can earn lots of additional coins by completing all these 9 steps. You can also earn lots of coins by participating in surveys and completing all these offers. Now come to your profile, and here you can see if you complete your profile details, then you will get 50 extra points. You can easily access all those earning options by simply clicking on this icon. This app provides lots of ways to earn coins. So I am sure that I have not been able to tell you about many other earning options. So you can explore all other remaining earning options yourself. Now click on the rewards option. You can withdraw your coins through any methods like PayPal, Paytm, Amazon, and others. And here you can see that the coin prices and the minimum withdrawal amount is only $1, which is really awesome. Now you go and start making money through this site.